Okay, so today we're going to draw an SSS triangle. SSS means side, side, side. With an SSS triangle, we know the dimensions of all three sides. For this exercise, we are going to be using a ruler, and we are also going to be using a compass. Okay? So for this exercise, we're going to draw an SSS triangle with the dimensions of 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Okay? So to start, we're going to be using our ruler, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw a 10 centimeter line. So go ahead and take the time to do that. Okay? So what you should have drawn in front of you is a basic 10 centimeter line. Okay? For better visual understanding, I'm going to go ahead and create the centimeter notches, so that way you can follow along more easily. So this is our 10 centimeter line. And I'm going to label this point here A, and I will label this point here B. Okay? The second thing that you're going to use is you're going to use your compass, and you're going to measure 8 centimeters on your compass. I'll give you some time to do that right now. Okay? So what you should have done is taken your ruler and taken your compass and measured 8 centimeters like this. Okay? And then on your compass, you have a little dial, and you're going to twist that dial in order to make it tight. Okay? Twist it tightly. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take your compass, okay? You're going to place the point of your compass on point A, and then your pencil should land on the 8 centimeter mark. Okay? And yours, of course, will be tight like this, and it will not be able to move around. And what you're going to do is you're going to create an arc. Okay? So go ahead and do that. Okay? So like I said, I don't have a compass, but you should have created an arc like this with your pencil. Since I don't have a compass, we're going to go ahead and we're going to revert back to the olden days when our grandparents, our ancestors, they did not have compasses. What did they use? They used a simple pencil and a piece of string. Okay? And they could also have used a wooden stick. So what they would do is they would take their pencil and place it on the 8 centimeter mark. And they can take their wooden stick in order to keep that string in place, and then they can move it around in an arc. Or in order to make it even more precise, I will just hold it down with my finger like that, and then I will move it in the shape of an arc. Oops. Let me get that back there. It's a little complicated because we have to make sure that the pencil tip goes right through the piece of string. Okay, bear with me, please. So there I have my first arc. Okay, so hopefully you should have something that resembles this. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna repeat the same process in order to create the 6 centimeter arc. So you can go ahead and prepare your compass first. So create a 6 centimeter distance using your compass. Go ahead and do that. So you're gonna loosen the dial and measure the 6 centimeters. And then same thing, tighten the dial. Okay. So once again, prepare that distance using your compass and twist the dial in order to tighten it. Okay. And go ahead and put your point at the B and at the 6 centimeter mark here and create your arc. Okay, go ahead and do that. So you should have done something like that. Okay, so once again, we will go back to the olden day system of creating triangles. Put my pencil inside the piece of string. Okay. At the 6 centimeter mark, and put my tip there, and then create my arc. Okay, so your second arc should look something like this. All right, so now we have created both arcs. Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to find the point of intersection of both arcs. So you're going to find the place that both arcs intersect. Please show me with your finger. So where is it? Right there. Our first arc is here. Or no, our first arc is here. Our second arc is there. Okay? Point of intersection is right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll mark that. So this will be our point C. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect our intersecting point to the ends of our to the original 10 centimeter line. So go ahead and connect point A to point C. Use your ruler to do that. Okay. So it should look something like this. And we're going to repeat the same process and connect the intersecting point C to point B. So go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so here we have created our 8 centimeter side, and here we have created our 6 centimeter side. Okay, you can double check this by using your ruler and measuring the sides. And as you can see, that indeed is 8 centimeters long. And measuring this side as well. Okay, that indeed is 6 centimeters long. So this is how we draw an SSS triangle.